Hello everyone, welcome back to another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. And in today's video I have a quick demonstration for you. So in today's video I will be showing you how to I'll be showing you how to convert images to PDF. So if you have a group of images that you want to convert to PDF, I will be showing you how to do that. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go to the folder where your images are, and then you're going to control, and then you will right click, control you're going to control, and then you're going to left click on the images that you want to convert to PDF. Or if all your images are in one line, you can just highlight all of your images. So when you highlight all of your images, you're going to go ahead and you're going to right click, right? And after you right click, you're going to select print, right? Left click on print, and then for printer you're going to select Microsoft Print to PDF. So your printer should be Microsoft Print to PDF, and then you can adjust the paper size. I will stay with letter size. The quality, you can change the quality here. It's only allowing 600 by 600, so I'm going to work with that. And to the right you can adjust the full page. You can adjust the photo, so like full page or side by side and so forth. So it all depends on the one that you like, right? I'm going to do full page, and also I'm going to uncheck fit picture to frame, because I notice when fit picture to frame is selected, I don't like how the images are printed. So I'm going to uncheck that. uh Copies of each picture, I'm going to select one, and then the next thing is to select print, right? So you're going to left click on print, and I'm going to save this document as subscribe. I already have a document saved as subscribe. I'm going to save it as that also. Replace that. All right, so while my document is saving, I want to take this time out to say uh, you can subscribe to my channel if you're interested in videos like these. I post videos like these. You can also leave a comment. If you have a concern, just a comment or a question, you can leave it and I'll reach out to you. So this is my document, which is subscribe. I'm going to open my document, and now you'll see that my just wait on this document to open. Da 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 da. Computer decide to move slow. Don't know why. Not sure what is going on here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Dap da dap 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 da dap dap. Dap da dap 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 da da dap dap. Come on. What's going on? Don't understand what is going on with my laptop. Okay, here we go. Suddenly my laptop decides to start stuck. And I don't think I'm going to edit this video. I think I'm just going to post it as is. So these are my images, just some random images of works I've carried out. So this is a outlet. Uh, this is a ceiling fan, two ceiling fans that I've installed. We have here this is a panel box, another panel box, two of my jackhammers. This is, I think this is like a video that this is a picture of I use on my videos that I post. Uh, some tools that I bought. As you can notice, I am a big fan of DeWalt and Klein tools. Yeah, a big fan of the yellow and the black, you know. uh, this is the piping of a decking that I carried out. This is what a panel box in the process. So that's it, guys. So that's how you will convert pictures to PDF. So thank you for watching this video that was brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Dana's Electrical Services. Thank you.